Hello everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with the soft wash cedar shake roof cleaning job today. And we're going to do, this is the back side of the home, we're going to do a short video here showcasing just how dirty these cedar shakes are before the soft wash process. You can see I got my ladder set up here. And we will also do a after video from the same spot showcasing the after results. We will do the same for the front. And please stay tuned to the end of the video for some before and after pictures. And if you need a cedar shake roof cleaned anywhere in Minnesota, please give us a call, 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185. So right now we are watering everything before we get started here, and we will do this video very soon after we soft wash the backside. Again, if you need a cedar shake roof cleaned anywhere in Minnesota, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. Thank you. Hey everyone, thanks for continuing to watch this video. Just shooting a short during video here. You can see the cedar shakes on the right there are done. We spent a significant amount of time cleaning those. They were very bad. As you can see, the cedar shakes over here on the left are not done. So we're on that little piece right there now. We've sprayed a little bit of this piece up here. We're gonna just keep working our way around. And again, thanks for continuing to watch this video, everyone. Please give us a call, 612-919-4185 if you have a cedar shake roof or any kind of roof in Minnesota that needs to be cleaned. Thank you. Hello everyone, thanks for continuing to watch this video. We are just about done with this roof now. We got a little section over there to the left and a couple little touch-up spots to do. But we are almost done with the backside here. Just figured we'd show you a little bit of during. You can see we got 3 ladders on the back of this property here. A lot of ladder work here, a lot of tricky stuff. If you have a roof anywhere in Minnesota that needs cleaning, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. And we're just about done with the back, so stay tuned for the before and after pictures. Thank you. And here's a little interesting short video for you. This is the side of the house. We were just back here. And I was up on that ladder right there, spraying this roof here. And there's a flat roof that separates these two here. Yeah, and as you can tell, we've sprayed, you know, a good portion of that top roof. There's still some to be done up there. It's not perfect, but you can really tell the difference between the top roof and the lower roof here. And you can see where some of my solution has run off the flat roof there, down onto this other cedar shake roof here. And you can see how it's starting to clean it there. So this is just an interesting short video to show you the difference of before soft washing and after soft washing. Stay tuned for the before and after pictures. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for staying tuned. Here's the completed after video. The roof's still a little bit wet and it'll dry and brighten up some more. As you can see, the cedar shakes look like the original golden color they're supposed to look like. If you have a cedar shake roof anywhere in Minnesota that looks black or green, we can get it absolutely clean. Please give us a call, 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185. This roof was many years without being cleaned. We had to spend a significant amount of time spraying this roof, but it came out beautiful. I'm very happy with the results. I always aim to get my cedar roofs absolutely perfect. I don't like to miss anything, so we went over this roof a bunch of times. If you have a roof anywhere in Minnesota that needs to be cleaned, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. And we still have the front of the building to go here yet, and we will still be taking a before and after video and pictures of the front. So please stay tuned. Thank you. Here's a short video of the front of the same house here. We are soft washing today. As you can see, the cedar shakes are pretty dark in the front here. We are going to go ahead and clean these today, get them brightened up back to their original beautiful golden cedar color. If you need a cedar roof cleaned anywhere in Minnesota, please give us a call at 612-919-4185, and please stay tuned for the before and after pictures at the end of this video. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, thanks for staying tuned to the end of this video. Here you can see the after effects of soft wash cedar shake roof cleaning on the front of the property here. Soft washing is a great way to clean any roof, especially a cedar shake roof. If you have a roof anywhere in Minnesota that you'd like soft washed, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185, and please enjoy the before and after photos at the end of this video.